Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode. Today, we're taking a look at a fantastic new quadcopter that's been turning heads, the F10 Pro GPS Drone. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or you're looking for your first serious drone, the F10 Pro packs an incredible punch for its size and price. Let's dive into the features that make this drone a top contender. Versatile performance and intelligent flight. Right out of the box, you'll notice the F10 Pro's sleek, foldable design. It's super compact and easy to carry, making it the perfect travel companion. You have two versions to choose from: an optical flow version for stable indoor flight, or the GPS-enabled version, which we highly recommend for more accurate and reliable outdoor flying. The GPS mode gives you crucial features like waypoint flight mode, where you can simply draw a flight path on your screen, and the drone will follow it automatically, freeing you up to focus on your shot. It also has a one-click return function, ensuring it can always find its way back to you safely. Stunning camera and real-time FPV. Now, let's talk about the camera. The F10 Pro comes with either a 1080p or a stunning 4K HD camera, capable of capturing incredible photos and video. The 120-degree wide-angle lens is perfect for those sweeping cinematic shots, and the fixed camera design ensures your footage remains stable and free from shake. But the real magic is the 5G Wi-Fi FPV. This gives you a crystal-clear, real-time view of what the drone sees, all the way up to 300 meters away, so you can frame your shot perfectly from the ground. Extended flight time and control. The F10 Pro gives you plenty of time in the air. The GPS version is powered by a high-capacity 1600 mAh battery that provides an impressive flight time of 23 to 25 minutes on a single charge. This gives you ample opportunity to explore, capture, and create without constantly worrying about your battery life. And with a remote control distance of up to 500 meters, you have the freedom to fly far and wide. In summary, the F10 Pro GPS Drone offers a fantastic blend of high-end features, incredible portability, and user-friendly controls. It's a powerful tool for capturing breathtaking aerial content, whether you're a beginner learning to fly or a content creator looking for a reliable, on-the-go solution. It's durable, easy to use, and delivers outstanding performance. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to start your aerial adventures, this is the drone for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below.